When a young individual opts to go to an institution to get an education and graduate, he does it with certain incentives in mind, that I will graduate with these competencies. At the end of this, I will have these skills. These skills will lead to these jobs. These jobs would lead to these rewards. These rewards would lead to these happinesses. Ramadan, the academy, we enter it, and Allah Rabbul Izzah says, كتب عليكم الصيام كما كتب على الذين من قبلكم لعلكم تتقون. You enter this academy to attain taqwa, Allah consciousness. Look at this. The throat of the human thirsts. You want water, halal water, water that doesn't need any stamp or certification to establish that it is halal. Yet that pure halal water is haram for you. Why? Because Allah Rabbul Izzah said so. So you move towards it and you remember, my Lord said no. That makes the heart Allah aware and Allah conscious. And then the stomach hungers, so you go towards the fridge. Food is there, halal food, good food. Yet you say no, Allah said no. The heart remembers its Lord constantly at every step. The body lusts and desires. You have a halal spouse. No, Allah said no. Therefore, constantly, insistently, persistently, it is being drilled in that listen, your Lord is watching. Listen, you're in obedience to your Lord. And for 30 days or 29 days, you persist in this. This is during the day, and at night you stand between the hands of your Lord in qiyam. Night after night, long sessions of prayer, so that the heart links to its master. The heart becomes aware of its master. The heart becomes obedient to its master. The heart listens and remembers its master. A whole 30 days of this passes, and at the end of it, you can't help but have become Allah conscious, Allah aware. Have a degree of taqwa in your hearts. And this is the outcome and the product of this month, taqwa. A product of this month is sabr. You learn to be patient. Patient on following the commandments of Allah. Patient on avoiding the harams that Allah Rabbul Izzah has made prohibited. Patience against your shahawat. Patience against your desires. Patience against lying. Patient against hurting another Muslim, patient against backbiting, so much so that you even lock up, some of you, the boxes of shaitan that you call TV in your houses. Therefore, this is the month in which you learn patience in the obedience of Allah. It is the month in which you feel the pain of the poor and the pain of the hungry. Those who are searching for crumbs of food, you who have your fridges full. For the first time in a year, or in your lifetimes for that, you feel the pain of that poor person whose lips are bleeding dry, or dry to the extent that it has cracks in its bleeding because it can't find food. Look at what's happening around the world. Subhanallah. The ulama in Syria gave fatwa to the people of Syria that it is okay for you to eat cats and mice because you don't have enough food to eat. And you're sitting here in abundant luxury, so you feel their pain. And before the ending of this month, you give the zakat of fitr, so that you can help those brothers in need. Now that you have learned their pain, you associate, you mix with them, you extend a hand of help towards them, that on the day of Eid, no Muslim go hungry. Every Muslim, young and old, and so far as Ibn Abbas was concerned, even the infant in the womb of the mother, for him, he used to give 3.5 kilograms of wheat or barley or dates, or in our country and in our time, even rice, 3.5 kilograms for every individual in the household, to the believers, to those who are needy, so that on the day of Jaizah, the day of celebration, the day of graduation, every Muslim go to bed happy and with belly full of food, inshaAllah ta'ala. These are the qualifications of Ramadan. But what does it lead to? What is the benefits of this taqwa? قال تعالى وَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّ اللَّهَ مَعَ الْمُتَّقِينَ. And understand that Allah is with the ones who have taqwa. وَالْمَعِيَّةُ نَوْعَانِ. And this is ma'iyya al-khas. And therefore Allah Rabbul Izzah says, I am with you if you have taqwa. I will support you, I will honor you, I will protect you, I will defend you, I will exalt you, I will be there for you. And Allah Rabbul Izzah says, here's your other reward. إِنَّ اللَّهَ يُحِبُّ الْمُتَّقِينَ. Allah loves those who have taqwa. What is the love of Allah? Allah Rabbul Izzah calls Jibreel. Ya Jibreel, I love so and so, love him. Jibreel alayhi salam, subhanallah, that mighty Jibreel starts to love you, pukey little human. Jibreel with one of his 600 wings lifted a whole city upside down. That mighty Jibreel, he starts to love you little human, little insignificant human. And then Jibreel alayhi salam comes out to the heavens. O inhabitants of the heavens, Ya malaika, your Lord loves this person, love him. The heavens love you. And then the heavens call to the earth, O inhabitants of the earth, the inhabitants of the heavens love this person, love him. So Allah puts your love in the heart of every righteous, and we don't need the love of those who are not righteous. This is the products, the benefits of taqwa. Allah Rabbul Izzah says, وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهِ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مِنْ أَمْرِهِ يُسْرًا. Whoever has taqwa of Allah Rabbul Izzah, we will make his affairs easy, we will make his life easy, we will remove difficulties and obstacles from his way. You're having marriage problems, have taqwa, Allah will remove it. You're having court problems, have taqwa, Allah will remove it. You're having financial problems, Allah will remove it. Listen to the qawl of Allah. وَمَنْ يَتَّقِ اللَّهِ يَجْعَلْ لَهُ مَخْرَجًا وَيَرْزُقْهُ مِنْ حَيْثُ لَا يَحْتَسِبْ. Whoever has the taqwa of Allah, Allah promises, I will find a way out for him and provide for him from means he didn't anticipate.